Good morning, guys. This is our third lecture. Today we will be discussing the Python strings and their operations. But mainly the Python strings and operations carries to. Here's a syllabus. Please note down this link. You will be following this link for the documentation of the lectures. Okay. So Python strings. Any sequence of letters, like there is a sequence is on enclosed in double quotes, or any sequence of letters enclosed in single quotes is considered as a Python string. There is no difference. Python handles both as string. This is a string. This is a string. Unlike in other languages, there is a difference that single quotes only can handle one letter, which is called character. But in case of Python, even if you will write one letter, it will consider as a string of one letter. So these are the Python strings. What to do with the Python strings? Python strings is useful for many operations, like we want to show some messages, we want to store results in string format, we want to concatenate results, like let me give you an example. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, sum is equal to A plus B, and difference is equal to A minus B. I want to show both results in a single line with some messages, like then I can create a string that result is equal to sum is equal to plus sum, diff is equal to plus diff, and I can print result. Now result is a string variable because it is containing the concatenation of strings, and it will consider sum. Like we need to tell the result that sum and difference is also a string. We need to cast it. You can follow up this link to check the castings. Okay. So sum is 11, difference is -1. So this is a main advantage of string, that you can concatenate, you can beautify your messages, you can make your program more visible, more good to show. So this is a simple string and it's printing. Then we'll go with the slicing of the strings. But the slicing means here, slicing means cutting out the strings, getting a sub part of the string. Here is an example of slicing of string. If you want to get the strings from position 2 to position 5, and 2 and 5 is not included here, then you can simply do it. Let us show you the example, like which is the position 2, this is the position 2, okay, and which is the position 5, this is the position 5. Now check the results. 2 isn't included here, so this will work as not condition position 2, this will work as the index 2. So 0, 1 and 2, here it starts with index 2, 3, 4 and 5. So last one is not included. Consider it as indexes, and also keep it in mind that the last index will not be included in it. This is the subparting of the conditions. Yeah. Slicing from start, if you don't want to give the starting index, you can simply leave it empty and just do it this way. You will see the results. It starts from H but goes up to index 5. Index 5 goes here, and index 5 is not included, so it will leave it and will print up to 4. Then slicing to end, if you want to go up to end, we don't need to tell him the ending index, we can give him any starting index. Like he is given index 2, which is 2, index 2 is L, it will start from L and go up to the exclamation mark. So here you go with it. Then what is negative indexing? Negative means moving back. Like if you are here, this is index 0, -1 will be this, it will go up to backward, then -2 will be this, -3 will be this. So -5, -4, and this is -5, and this is -2, as we discussed. So it will keep these strings. Let us print its negative indexing. Check out, guys. This is -2, this is -5, and in negative indexes both are included. Like this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. This is -2 to -5. Both indexes are included. Nothing is excluded here. Here you go with the results. Then these are the main operations on slicing of strings. Let me show you. Make it more good. Between start slicing up to the end. Original string, negative index slicing means backwarding. So we need to print it out also. Here's our original string. It sliced the strings from here to here, which is index 2 to 5. 5 is included here. Then it starts slicing from start and then goes up to index 5. Index 5 goes here again, and 5 is already included, prints up to L. Then it starts from point O, index O, and slice up to end. This is the ending one of the thing. Negative index is the backward. -2 to -5, which is this one. That is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So -5 to -2 is this one. Okay. Then let's do something. I'm also confused at it. What should this do? Will it make it reverse in printing? So the negative indexing, we will follow up the rule of left to right, but here again it printed nothing. So you always need to print left to right. Like the greater negative index need to be first and the lesser negative index need to be second, as we do here. In positive, the smaller need to be first and greater need to be later. If we will grab these, the result will be empty set. So here you go with the slicing. The slicing lectures end here. Any questions you can post in comments. We'll go up to the second point, which is modify the strings. What modify means? Modify means changing the content of the string. How can we change the content of our string? The first operation is we can simply make the whole string in uppercase, upper letters. So any string variable dot upper will result in upper. Then we can convert the whole string into lower. Like any string variable dot lower will convert it to lower. Let me show you the results meanwhile as well. You can make an account here on REPL. It will be easier for you to store your REPLs. You can code online. You don't need to be installing the compilers for Python for now. Like we will install the compilers definitely later, but for now we don't need it. Like let's write some code of these ourselves also. You can simply will get intelligence here as well. So this is the case of the string. This is the lower. We modified the string content. Then we can use a strip. What strip means? It removes any white spaces. Like if hello world containing the white space, but it will show without the white space. So any white spaces from the beginning or end. Okay, sorry. Any white spaces, like if let me put it here and here as well. So check out the result, guys. Here you can see the white space, but here it is removed. It is stripped out. A replace string, we can replace any letter in a string with any letter. Like it is replacing H with J. So check out the result. H is replaced with J. You can replace even a letter sequence like H E L O L L ko I want to replace with P A K. So here you go. What do split does? Split does making the sub part of the string multiple strings by splitting on a character. Like if it is giving it comma, it will split the string on comma. On comma, by splitting on comma, the string will be converted in two parts. The first half part, the second half part. So here you can go. This is an array of strings. This is index 1, this is index 2. This can be full. Then we manipulate it as an array, and what is array, how we manipulate it, we will convert it later. So here we are done with the Python strings, slicing and modifying the strings. We'll cover the next lecture inshallah. Goodbye.